Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about credit card. We're going to talk about what's the best credit card for beginners, what's the best credit card to build up your score, your credit score, what's the best credit card with the best cashback reward. So yeah, let's get to it. And the answer to that question in my experience is the Discover It credit card. I got that credit card 3 years ago, that being my only credit card that I ever had. And you know, I was just doing a lot of research into like credit cards and which one was the best option for me, because I didn't have any credit and I wasn't making a lot of money at the time when I applied to that credit card. So I just went online into Discover It, and I applied online. They ask you a couple of questions about your demographics, social security number, like if you're in school, and they also ask you questions about how much money are you making and if you're employed. So I did all that. At the time I was working part-time and I was only making like around $10,000 a year. So I did that and they approved me for $1,000. Right off the bat, they approved me for $1,000, and I kept that credit card for 1 year. And after 1 year, I increased the credit limit. I increased it, and the increase was to $3,000, and that's my credit limit right now. It's at $3,000. I don't want to go beyond that because I don't want to have all that responsibility. I did notice that the bigger the credit limit you have, the more you're gonna spend. So that's what I've done. But this credit card is really good. It has cash back for some of the things that you buy. Sometimes it's for gas, sometimes it's for restaurants, sometimes for Uber, sometimes it's for Amazon. And you know, with my credit score right now is at 790. So you're gonna see a picture here of my credit score. It's a 790 right now. So my credit score in 2018, a year from now, it was at 742. So that's about 50 points increase. So it was a 742 in November, then in December it was 717, so it came down. Then as you can see, it sort of like goes up and down. So that was happening with my credit score. But from November 2018 to now, before it was in like a 740, 717, 770, and now it's a 790. So as you guys can see in the picture, I have this credit card for 3 years now. I noticed that every year it goes up and up. I do have a loan in my card, and the remaining balance of that loan is $8,000. So that kind of is affecting my credit score. So it affects your credit score because you already owe money. So a lender sees that as like, oh, this person already owes money. What are the chances that they're gonna pay me back when they owe so much money to this person? But the other thing with that is that when you do get a loan, it also increases your credit score, because it shows that, you know, you're responsible and you make your payments. So this credit card, I use it like as a debit card. I pay with my credit card and right away I pay it with my debit card, and I have been able to get a lot of cash back. And the last 2 years I have been able to earn $489 just out of using my credit card. I have only had to pay interest once, and it was because I didn't pay my credit card on time, and it was like about like $60 that I had to pay in total so far in 3 years. But I have been able to make $489 just out of using my credit credit card. So I never spent more than what I have on my debit card. So that's what I do. So I really do recommend the Discover It credit card. I feel like it's the best credit card to build your credit score and the best credit card to get cashback rewards. That's in my experience. And you know, it's an easy process to apply. Then you receive it in the mail. They have really cool colors like burgundy, blue. And aside from that, when you refer someone, you get $50 in credit. So I'm gonna have a link in the description where if you click on that link, you get $50 in credit and I'll get $50 in credit. So it's a win-win. After that, what you could do is you can refer your other family members, and that way you can also make $50. So I know there's other credit cards like Chase and Capital One. Those are also good credit card that I have heard of, but I can only speak from my experience, and my experience is that the best credit card for me as a beginner was the Discover It. No, I have not applied to any other credit cards. I feel comfortable now with this credit card. Maybe down the line in the future, I'll get a credit card that gives me rewards for flying or things of that nature. If I do end up getting another credit card, I'll make a video about it and have a review. But so far, I have no complaint about the Discover It credit card. I really do recommend that credit card. So I'm gonna have the link in the description below if you guys are interested in it. So that's it for the video. If you feel like this video was informational and you guys learned something from it, make sure to leave a like. It really helps me a lot. And if you want more content like this one, make sure to subscribe. I make a lot of videos on finance, side hustles, career, and anything that is going on in my life at the moment, and I feel like it will be helpful for you guys. I'll make a video about it. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or if you have any video suggestions. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.